My dear students, how are you? I think all of you are well during this corona situation. Today I want to discuss about the developmental disorders which you may get these disorders in your daily practicing life. Now, what do you mean by developmental disorders? It is a group of disorders characterized by chronic disability which includes either mental or physical impairment or both and is likely to continue indefinitely resulting from injury to developing brain, that is due to perinatal or postnatal insult. So, what is the developmental disorder? The chronic disability, not only mental disability, it may be due to physical impairment. On some patient you get the both mental and physical impairment. Now, classification of developmental disorders: mental retardation, cerebral palsy, learning disability, hyperactive disorders and autistic spectrum disorders. Mental disorders definition: according to American Association of Mental Deficiency AAMI, mental disorders defined by the it is the sub-average general intellectual function, that is sub-average general intellectual function resulting in or association with concurrent impairments in adaptive behavior and manifest during the developmental period before the age of 18 years. So, mental retardation, mental disorders should be started before the age of 18 years. Now, incidence: 2.5% of population and 85% of this population have mild mental retardation. Etiology: non-organic cause, it is preventable cause, and organic cause, some case may be preventable. Then unorganic cause: poverty, lack of stimulating environment, low standard school. Lack of stimulating environment means if you not stimulate the baby from the beginning of his life, patient's brain may not grow properly. So, in that case patient develop mental retardation. An organic case, chromosomal case is Down syndrome, Fragile X syndrome and Klinefelter syndrome. Sometimes we ask you in Viva board, tell me some genetic disease which are responsible for mental retardation. This is Down syndrome, Fragile X syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome, Prader-Willi syndrome, and some are due to endocrine cause such as congenital hypothyroidism, and metabolic cause hyperbilirubinemia, that is kernicterus, and some cases inborn metabolism, galactosemia, PKU and mucopolysaccharidosis. Perinatal causes are perinatal asphyxia, birth trauma, prematurity and low birth weight and TORS infection. And among the CNS infection, meningitis, encephalitis, and other causes of cerebral palsy are iodine deficiency disorder, severe PM in early infancy, and of course some cases are idiopathic or physiological mental retardation where the cause is unknown. Now, categories of mental retardation: physiological mental retardation 40 to 60% cases, very common; pathological mental retardation, treatable mental retardation and preventable mental retardation. Sometimes we ask in Viva board, tell me the some treatable or preventable mental retardation. Your answer is hypothyroidism, iodine deficiency, early iron and trace element deficiency, malnutrition, inborn metabolism prevented by the genetic counseling and career detection, low birth weight and prematurity prevented by the proper antenatal care, perinatal asphyxia and birth trauma and sociocultural causes. These are the preventable cause of mental retardation. Now IQ, intelligent quotients. Normal IQ 85 to 115, and how can you estimate the IQ? Formula is mental age, that is developmental age, divided by chronological age. And grade of severity or classification: mild MR, moderate MR, severe MR, profound MR. If mild MR IQ 55 to 70, moderate 40 থেকে 55, and severe 25 থেকে 40, and profound below 25. Current practical classifications are mild MR, that is mild mental retardation IQ level 50 to 70, and severe MR IQ level less than 50, and borderline MR not included in category of mental retardation nowadays, needs psychiatric attention, and IQ level 71 to 84. Now how can you diagnose the mental retardation? Age of diagnosis of mental retardation by the age of 3 years. Sex: boys are more affected than girls, and in severe case 1.5:1. Presentation: failure to interact with surroundings or environment, lack of visual or auditory responses, delayed developmental milestones, lack of sitting, crawling, walking, language delay, such as early features of cerebral palsy. Poor academic performance, behavior problems such as attention, anxiety, mood and conduct. There may patient develop some suffering from convulsion, involuntary movement, and dysmorphic body status. Syndrome: sometimes patient may present with syndromic baby, just Prader-Willi baby, Down syndrome, Fragile X syndrome. These patients present with dysmorphic phases. Now history of predisposing factors: birth history, antenatal, natal, postnatal history. These are the risk factors are TORS infection, perinatal asphyxia, birth trauma, central nervous system infections such as meningitis, encephalitis, prematurity and low birth weight. And if you take the developmental history, there is delayed developmental milestones from the early period except galactosemia and PKU, phenylketonuria. You should take the family history. If you should take the history of consanguinity of the parents. If present, it increases the risk of inverse metabolism. Family history of mental retardation: if you suspect, if patient develop family history of Fragile X syndrome, Prader-Willi syndrome, 3-generation predictive search should be drawn to find out the hereditary disorders of mental retardation. Sociocultural history: low parental education and intelligence, poor economic condition. Now physical examination: general examination, you may get the facial dysmorphism in case of Down syndrome, Fragile X syndrome, congenital hypothyroidism and Prader-Willi syndrome. There is involuntary movement, some cases such as cerebral palsy, phenylketonuria, and there is dystonic posture if the patient present with cerebral palsy. Head: if you examine the head, you get the macrocephaly in case of megapolysaccharides if patient suffering from hydrocephalus. You may get the macrocephaly in cerebral palsy, Down syndrome, craniosynostosis. If you examine the eye, you may get a cataract. If cataract present, you suspect there is TORS infection. You should examine the ear. You may get the low set ear in case of syndromic baby. You also examine the neck for goiter and suspect the hypothyroidism. And you look at the skin and hair color. It is fair in case of phenylketonuria. If you do the anthropometry, upper segment lower segment ratio, there will be disproportionate short stature. Sometimes we ask in Viva board, tell me some causes of disproportionate short stature. One is congenital hypothyroidism, and proportionate short stature, Prader-Willi syndrome, Fragile X syndrome. If you do the BMI, some cases you may get the obesity. Sometimes we ask in Viva board, tell me the some condition where the mental retardation associated with obesity. These are the Prader-Willi syndrome, congenital hypothyroidism and Fragile X syndrome. Systemic examination, neurologic examination. If you do the motor system, you get the involuntary movement, that is co-articulated movement, muscle tone, abnormal muscle tone, that is hypotonic. In case of Down syndrome cerebral palsy, hypothyroidism, you may get the spastic in case of cerebral palsy, PKU, when penile ketonuria. If you examine the reflexes, that means hyperreflexia or hyperreflexia in case of cerebral palsy. You may get the pendular jerks in case of hypothyroidism. Coordination test, there is poor coordination reveals profound degree of disability. If you ask the you tell the patient to walk, there is abnormal gait. Sensory disturbances such as hearing test impaired in case of congenital lobular syndrome, MPS and cortical deafness. You also do the Bishan test. Psychological assessment performed by the experienced psychologist. There are the 4 to 5 scales such as Bailey scale for infant, Stanford Binet intelligence scale for 2 years to adult, Wechsler intelligence scale, and Vinland adaptive behavior scales, and Danba scale. Sometimes we ask in behavior board, tell me some tool for psychological assessment. You tell the Bailey scale, Stanford Binet intelligence scale, Wechsler intelligence scale, Vinland adaptive behavior scale, and Danba scale. Investigation depends on history and physical examination to find out the causes. A genetic and chromosomal study, karyotyping for chromosomal abnormalities, and molecular genetic test for Fragile X syndrome. And for hormonal study for hypothyroidism, T3, T4, THS, and metabolic studies for informal metabolism such as urine for reducing substances, for galactosemia, blood for amino acid and lactate, lysosomal enzyme in lymphocyte, and you may do the serum lead level to find out the chronic lead poisoning. TORS antibody screening, and if you do the neuroimaging, the access call, you get the craniosynostosis, that means premature fusion of the cranial sutures. Hydrocephalus, you may get the calcification, toxoplasmosis, tuberculosis. Sometimes we ask in the bio board, what are the causes of calcification, CNS calcification? You tell the toxoplasmosis, tuberculosis, tuberculoma, and cytomegalovirus virus infection. CT MRI scan of the brain, the hydrocephalus, cortical atrophy or prosencephaly. And if you do the EEG, you may get the seizure activity. Now treatment. Mental retardation is not treatable. Aim of treatment to reduce the impairment in various disciplines such as physical, vision, hearing and behavior. This multidisciplinary approach. You need the specialized educational facilities, occupational therapy, behavioral, cognitive and psychodynamic therapies, speech therapy, physiotherapy and psychiatric treatment for your patients. Treatment of associated medical conditions. If patient present with seizure, you treat the seizure by the carbamazepine, valproic acid, but not phenobarbital. Aggressive and self-injurious behavior, you may prescribe the lithium. If patient stereotype motor develop movements, you may prescribe the haloperidol, chlorpromazine. Supportive treatment, adequate nutrition, treatment of hearing and vision problems, and identification of treatable causes such as congenital hypothyroidism, treatment with thyroxine as early as possible, that is before 2 weeks of age. Dear students, I want to show a video of mental retardation. See this video. The child activity is abnormal. Complete control of our balance after treatment. Before treatment, patient cannot cooperate with mothers. He only babbles few words and needs speech therapy. He cannot hold the object properly. He cannot follow the command appropriately. So dear student, thanks for hearing. Today I want to discuss about the developmental disorder, which is also a common problem in your daily practices. Thanks for your patient hearing.